how I spent $500 per day on Facebook ads and made over 1,130 sales in a week with affiliate marketing using ClickBank and MaxWeb. So as you can see over here, in total, I spent 24,000 US dollars on Facebook ads. So impressions, 500,000, and reach 250,000. Okay, so you can see over here the purchases. Now how I did this and what is the truth about affiliate marketing and how it works. Let's go straight into it. Okay, so the truth about affiliate marketing with ClickBank and why gurus are lying to you, right? So, or scamming you, whatever the word you want to use. So I want to be real with you here, honest, transparent, and upfront. Look, let me show you this. What is really doable? If you're watching this video, and as you're watching this video, maybe you're driving, maybe you're sitting at home, right? Listening to my voice right now, and you're thinking, okay, what Tim has to tell me is this, okay? So if you have at least 50 euros or $100 per day, yes, you can make $10,000 per day, per month in income. It's doable, okay? It's not magic, it's not scam, it's not trick. $10,000 per day, it's possible. You do the math first and you work on economics, okay? What do I mean by economics? Simply, you spend $100 per day, $200 per day, you make back $10,000 per month. Simple math. You spend $3,000 per month on Facebook ads or YouTube ads or Google ads. In this case, Facebook ads with quiz funnels, special quiz funnels on CPA networks, and you make back with all the upsells over $10,000 to $20,000 per month in profit. Net profit, not ad spend, profit. Okay. Now let me speak about something that's emotional to me. It's quite, let's say it's quite emotional because I want you to know the truth, okay? Many YouTubers are only sharing the good things, never bad or negative things. So I want to tell you this, in affiliate marketing, simple as any other traditional business, you can start car repair shop, hotel, restaurant, okay? Software business, whatever you start, you're gonna have some problems, right? Same thing in affiliate marketing. I'm gonna be honest with you. Many courses, right? Let me show you here. Most gurus on ClickBank are lying to you. They're telling you, you're gonna make $1 million per week. €1 million per week? Are you freaking kidding me? If you're a beginner watching this video, I know you know this is a lie. Yes, you can make this money, but what they don't tell you is you need hundreds, if not thousands, of fake Facebook ad accounts, YouTube, Google ad accounts. You have to buy farming accounts. You have to get credit cards. It's so many things they don't tell you about. But if you're a person who works 9 to 5, who have kids, who have a daughter, who has a wife, I don't know, older elderly parents, I understand you because I know how it felt when I was there. Okay, if you wanna make at least $10,000 per month, that's possible. If you wanna make $30,000 per month, that's possible. But if you wanna make $1 million per week, not possible, not easy. Okay, but let me tell you honestly, right? As you watch this video, we have ups and downs, same as me. You know, I have weeks when I make $30,000. I have weeks when I make $10,000. So it really depends. All right, I try to be honest, transparent, because that's the only way to reach success. Okay, we are human beings and it's not always beautiful, but I can tell you this, if you follow the path, if you go step by step, yes, you can make 10,000 euros per week, per month, per week as well. But per month, if your goal is to make 10,000 US dollars per month in profit, of course it's doable. It's not a magic number. Let's do a simple math. You go on ClickBank today, you choose a good quality product that's gonna really help people, and paying $200 per sale. How many sales do you need to make 10 grand per month? Or 10,000 US dollars per month with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2024 as a beginner? Not many, right? 200 times 10, $2,000. Okay, 30 sales, $6,000. 60 sales, $12,000 or 11,000 euros per month. Okay, so you don't need many sales. 2 sales per day, good to go. Okay, so that's all I want to tell you as you're watching now, as you're listening to my voice. All right, it's doable, but you need someone who will help you along the way, step by step. And of course, you need to invest some money. All the bullshit on YouTube for free, it doesn't work. Okay? Cheap advice. Remember this, my friend. Listen to me, please. Cheap advice is expensive advice. And expensive advice is cheap advice. You're gonna pay $50, $500. Oh, it's a scam. It doesn't work. You're gonna pay 5,000 euros, $10,000. Oh, it's expensive. It works. I got $100,000 per month, per year income. You see how this works? Remember again, cheap advice, it's expensive. You wanna try take a shortcut? Cheap. It doesn't work. Okay? That's why Bentley, it's never for sale. Bentley, Ferrari, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, it's not for sale. Because they know the value, okay? Same thing here. You need to respect your coach, respect your mentor enough to pay them what they ask you to pay to help you to build real long-term relationships and friendships. That's what I'm all about. I have friends, I build connections, we support each other, and that's how we grow. No other way about it. No shortcut. Okay? Make friendships, pay people what they are worth, and you're gonna earn results. Okay? So that's what I have to tell you in this video. Now, of course, you have core emotions of the market. As I said, in dating, it's hope. In female dating, it's control. In cryptocurrency, it's certainty. And in weight loss, it's shame. You have to understand the emotions, then you can connect to your audience, and you have the right message to market match. And that's how, my friend, you make money. That's how you make money. All right? So that's all I have to say. If you want to work with me, yes, let me know. Be serious. Have at least 1,000 to 6,000 US dollars. Let me know after watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And below this video are links to my social media accounts, my WhatsApp, you can call me, email, Facebook, and this YouTube channel. Okay, but be serious, be action taker. This is not for people who are not serious. If you want to become someone, if you want to become a super affiliate, if you want to become someone who can quit 9 to 5 and make yourself proud, your wife proud, your kids proud, your family proud, then this is the moment, this is the chance, this is the moment for you, the opportunity to take action now. So let me know and see you on the other side of success.